So, long story short, about a year ago, I ate shit when we came to Florida. So the car has been in a state of disrepair, one might say. So I had to get a new bumper. That's what this is. The only problem is, since my car doesn't have, there's not a lot of Veloster N's, like front bumpers, that aren't fucked up. So, and I can see why. But we're gonna be replacing this, and we're gonna be fixing this, and over the next, I don't fucking know how many videos it's gonna be. So I'll give you a quick breakdown of what the plan is with this, because I know it looks bad, but it's not really terrible overall. So I got the new bumper. It's a non-N bumper, but I kind of like that for a couple reasons, and I'll show you in a minute. But I gotta get a new headlight. But you see, I fixed it temporarily. That shit ain't going nowhere. Now I'm gonna get a pair of Korean headlights. The reason for this is because one headlight is $700, or I can buy a Korean pair for $1,000. So I'll let you do the math as to why that makes sense. It's car math, and it makes out. So getting the bumper today is going to be replaced, or at least we're going to fit it on, see if it looks good, because if it doesn't fit, I gotta return it. So currently, how this, like, it's fully functioning minus the DRLs. They don't work, but the bulbs work, and the lows work. So Florida State has not given me any problems, weirdly enough. For safety, I have duct taped the sides of the sharp fenders so no one dumb enough cuts on my car. But we really do need to get this fixed because it is a big issue. So let me get the bumper loaded. Don't judge me, I know it looks bad in here. If anything, I'll give them on their packaging. You did a pretty good job. All right, you lost my respect. They put tape right on top of the bumper. Now, it don't matter for me in this instance because this isn't the color, and I don't care about the bumper. But if this was the same color, if this was the chalk white, I'd be kind of upset. But it is what it is. My God, you don't have to put it so far on the bumper, man. Come on. My God. Oh yeah, looky there. Hold on. I'm glad I was recording, actually. That's crazy. Look at this. Let's show you why you don't, you see that red flake? Let's show you why you don't tape onto the body of something you're selling. Right there. That just came off. And then some right there. Yup. So I've ran into a bit of an issue. So here's my salvaged part from my old car that I was like, I'm gonna need this because it's the fog light area. I've just now found out that the JS base model, I thought they had the exact same. Financially, this makes sense, but we're realizing now things don't make much financial sense in the car world. But had to close the door. Come to the bad realization that I'm fixing one hole and I'm adding two, because now I won't have the fog light area. So now, because I broke it off on this side, I kept it. I was like, I'm gonna need it. I don't need it because I can't fix it. Please give me the bumper. Oh, good thing I thought about this a little more. All right, so we got the end bumper off. When you really compare them, This one has a lot more to it. So we're going to try to test fit this on. We'll see if this will fit. Because if it'll at least fit here, and I can get an alternate type of oh, bro. No. Wow. Wow. Oh. Oh. Hold up. Practically perfect fitment. Oh, holy shit, it's dark. Alright, so a lot of stuff has happened in between this. I'm dirty. I found out a lot about the front bumpers of these cars. So first off, you can't use the fog lights, so couldn't do that. Second valuable thing for Veloster N owners, if you ever decide to do the same thing that I've just done, just note that it is not a 100% just swap on and off. The body panel, yes, the body panel 100% does match, no problems. Oops, sorry, I saw you a little dirty. The problem comes in is right here when you go to install these hanger pieces. So you have this piece and you have, how do I not see the, oh, so this piece is supposed to connect here, and this is all one piece. So there's no way to just get that top piece. So if you're going to do this, just be prepared to either sawzall the top of that off, which is what I might do later on. A temporary solution, I have done the good old-fashioned rednecking. I have zip tied it, and I'm going to bolt it up as I normally would. It is not exactly the same length either, so you're going to have this issue. So as you can see, the Veloster N, it comes much further down than the traditional. It's like 2 inches, if that, if not a little more of a difference. Not a problem for me. Great. I hate myself. It looks cool. I think it looks nice. I'm going to show you it from the angle if it wasn't screwed up. Like, that's pretty cool. That's pretty tight. Fitment though, everything else works really well. Just remember, if you're going to do this, or if you have to do this, you should be able to see more clearly right here. They don't match. I really can't wait to see where this car comes. We got some couple ideas for what I'm going to do with the grill. We're going to test them out. We're going to see what type of grills that we can do. I'm going to try a couple different materials. You'll see that in one of these videos. I know I look like hell. It's floated, baby, and it's hot, and it's, I don't know how. Let's do it live. What's the temperature? Hey Google, what's the temperature right now?
The current temperature is 86 degrees. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 101.
Yeah. So if you're wondering why I'm sweating and it's like 10 o'clock at night, that's why.